5 foods that keep your skin young and radiant. You must have heard about antioxidant foods, right? They offer many health benefits and are linked to the good functioning of human body cells. Also, they avoid the effects of stress and premature aging. Did you know that? If you want your skin to be young, you need to add some habits into your routine besides anti-aging creams. According to experts, some foods take care of our skin from the inside out. Watch this video where we explore the best antioxidant foods for your skin. Remember to moderate your consumption of caffeine and alcohol. Coffee ages and stains the skin while alcohol dries it, making the wrinkles more noticeable and favoring the appearance of new ones. More important yet, drink plenty of water. Your hydration must be plentiful since water keeps the skin healthy, beautiful and helps clean toxins. As you can see, a diet rich in antioxidants is necessary, but so is avoiding harmful habits, like industrialized foods full of salt and sugar and a sedentary lifestyle. Talk to a doctor or nutritionist to help you adjust your diet to your individual nutritional needs.